The Brave Daughter and the Silent Village. In a small village surrounded by mountains, there lived a young woman named Amina. She was known for her kindness, wisdom, and bravery. While the village respected her, there was an unspoken rule in the village. Women should be quiet, stay at home, and never raise their voices, even when treated unfairly. One day, a wealthy merchant from a neighboring town visited the village. He was powerful, and no one dared to cross him. He noticed Amina and, thinking she was just another woman who would be too scared to speak up, tried to mistreat her in front of everyone. The villagers watched in silence, afraid to confront the merchant. Even the village elders, who were supposed to protect the people, remained quiet, thinking it was safer not to interfere. Amina, however, was not one to stay silent in the face of injustice. With courage in her heart, she stood up tall and said, "Just because you are powerful doesn't mean you have the right to harm or disrespect others, especially women. We have voices, and we will not be silenced by fear." The merchant laughed and said, "Who will stand up for you? No one in this village dares to challenge me." But Amina was not afraid. "I don't need others to stand up for me," she said boldly. "I can stand up for myself. Every woman here has the same right to be respected, protected, and treated with dignity." Her words echoed through the village, and something inside the hearts of the villagers stirred. They had always known that what was happening to their women was wrong, but fear had kept them silent. Amina's bravery gave them the courage they lacked. Slowly, the villagers began to gather around Amina. Men, women, and even the village elders stood beside her. Together, they confronted the merchant, demanding that he leave the village and never return. The merchant, seeing the strength of the united village, knew he could not win. Embarrassed and defeated, he left without another word. From that day forward, the village changed. The people realized that protecting women was not just the duty of men or elders, but of everyone. They understood that silence in the face of wrongdoing only empowers the wrongdoer, and that true strength comes from standing together to protect the vulnerable. Amina's bravery became an inspiration for every girl and woman in the village. They no longer feared speaking up when treated unfairly, knowing that their voices mattered. And the men, too, learned the importance of standing beside their daughters, sisters, and wives, not out of pity but out of respect and duty. Moral: silence in the face of injustice only strengthens the wrongdoer. True protection of women begins when everyone, men and women alike, stand together to ensure dignity, respect, and safety for all.